The pasuk in Yirmiyah says, Zayit Ra'anan Yefei Pritor Kara Hashem Shmecha. Am Yisrael is given the name of Zayit. The Zayit, which is beautiful, it has beautiful fruit. The olive, which has beautiful fruit, shapely fruit. That is what Am Yisrael is called, the olive tree. The question is, the Midrash asked this question, this is how some of Farshim explained the Midrash. We find in Tehillim, we are called Gefen, a grapevine. We find in Hosea, we are called a Te'ena, a fig. We find we are called a Tamar in Shir HaShirim. We are called an Erez, a cedar, Ke'erez Balvanon Yizgeh. We find we are called an Egoz. We find we are called a garden of Rimonim, pomegranates. Many, many different references of different fruit. But yet here, specifically, it says Shmecha, your name. That's your essence. You're like the olive. Why? What is the olive special that's my essence more than these other beautiful fruit? So the Midrash answers something unique about the olive. In order to get the choice oil out of the olive, first you select certain olives and you leave it on the tree longer. It should sit in the sun and get ripened longer, get beaten by the sun a little bit longer. Next, you take the olive, you squeeze it to get its oil. Then you grind it and you pulp it and you knock it around until you bring out its oil, its very best. So too Am Yisrael, says the Midrash. Until we make tshuva, we have to get knocked around. And if we don't get knocked around, somehow we forget and we don't make tshuva. We're like the olive that our very best comes out only through distress. Like it says in the pasuk, Batsar lacha umitzaucha. We will find Hashem, we will make tshuva only out of distress. That is how we are. When we are thrown a difficult situation, then we turn to Hashem. And that's why we are compared to the olive. Difficult situations are an opportunity and are specifically being sent for us to bring out our oil, for us to bring out our very best.